India is a partially free country now. We have heard this statement 2 days ago from a US based human rights watchdog, Freedom House. So, what is this? Why they are telling that India is a partially free country now? And what is the propaganda behind this? So, according to the report, India has fallen from the free to partially free status. It's it say that the political rights and the civil liberties in the country have deteriorated since the PM Narendra Modi took over in the 2014. So rather than serving as a champion of the democratic practice and the counterweight to authoritarian influence from the countries such as China, Modi and his parties are tragically driving the India itself towards the authoritarianism, as the report said. As is this true? Or is this behind any secularism against the India? So it spoke about the ham-fisted lockdown and the government's crackdown on the critics and the scapegoating of the Muslims. So that's a desirable things for the India and the international world also. The report notes that the countries for the COVID-19 pandemic and violent conflict, there was a shift in the international balance toward the primary and the authorizations. It states that the many activities have faced a heavily jail sentence, torture, murder, while the lacking international support. Since the 2006, this year sees that the most number of the countries shifts towards the not free status according to the report. So, what is the deterioration in the rights, liberties, say reports? The fall of the India from the upper ranks of the free nations could have a particularly damaging the impact on the global democratic standards, states the report. So, asserting that there has been a deterioration in the political rights and the civil liberties in India since the PM Modi's tenure began. So the report notes that there has increased pressures on the human rights organizations, intermediations of the academics and journalists, and the spate of the bigoted attacks, including the lynchings aids and Muslims. The decline has only increased with the PM Modi's re-elections in the 2019. The reports further states that the Freedom House also raised the concerns over the crackdown in the country aimed the CA and the NRC protest and added that the judicial independence has also come under the strain in the country. So, what's the opinion on the love jihad laws and lockdowns? So, India's controversial love jihad laws also find a mention that in the report, which also raised the concerns over the conditions of the millions of migrants workers during the COVID induced lockdown in the country last year. The report speaks about love jihad laws in the some details, nothing that were approved in the December in Uttar Pradesh going to be at the number of the Muslims men have already arrested for the allegedly forcing the Hindu women to convert to Islam. That's a pathetic situations also. So, on the lockdown, the report states that the millions of the migrant workers find themselves stuck in the cities without works or the basic resources. Many were forced to walk across the country to their home villages, facing the various forms of the mistreatment along the way it ends. The report concludes that under the PM Modi and the India appears to be abdominant its potential to serve as a global democratic leader. So that's all about the report said by the Human Rights Commission and the Freedom House said recently. What is your opinion about this? Is the India is a partial free or the downgraded from the free to partial free? What is your opinion? You can send your opinion in the comment box. And what is your comments regarding this particular sentence as made by the Freedom House? Is this right to defend any country against any propaganda statements? So write us in the comment box. If you like the video, you can subscribe us and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.